So, my name is Princess Sarah Ataviru, and I am the quality lead engineer for Team Lucid Base. So, our project title is Atom, and we are working on the online registration and student resource portal for the chemistry department. So, the request flow that I analyzed is um, when a student opens a web application through a browser such as Safari or Firefox or Google Chrome, the and enters the website's URL for the web application, the browser will send a request to the web server, and a page will display whereby the student has to enter his or her student credentials, which is your student ID and your password. So the web server will now direct the student's credentials to the web application to verify if the student's credentials is valid or is the same as what has been stored in the server. So the server will now check the credentials against the database. If the credentials and that is the password and the student ID is valid and they match, you now um, get access to the dashboard. And if it's invalid, there will be an error message displayed for you to try again. As a tester, my responsibility is to make sure that each step in this process has been tested and verified correctly, and users can receive their expected results. So one possible failure point is a database connection failure or incorrect login credentials, and this can only occur if there is unauthorized access to the person's credentials. In either case, the user will not be able to access the system if the person doesn't have um, the other person's credentials. So a security concern is unauthorized access to a student account, and this can be reduced through authentication, encrypted passwords, and